Hi, welcome to SMATI Academy. SMATI Academy is an online platform that offers free academic resources on both its website and YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to walk you through what SMATI Academy has to offer. SMATI Academy intends to provide a series of videos or a playlist of videos on the following themes. The main theme of SMATI Academy includes the following: Applied Econometrics. Under Applied Econometrics, we are going to use statistical or econometric software package in order to provide ways to model, forecast, and simulate data. The statistical or econometric software we are going to make use of includes the EViews, otherwise known as econometric views. EViews is easy, user-friendly, and popular among econometricians. It is used for the analysis of time series, cross-sectional, and panel data. Another popular econometric software is the Stata. Stata can also be used for data science. There are a lot of overlaps between EViews and Stata. This implies that there are a lot of routines that are available in both EViews and Stata. However, EViews may have some routines that are not available in Stata, and the reverse is the case. Another important software we are going to use is Matlab, otherwise known as Matrix Laboratory. Matlab is handy for econometric analysis because econometric models can be expressed in terms of matrix algebra. Of equal importance is the use of SPSS for statistical analysis. SPSS stands for Statistical Product and Service Solutions. If you are used to Microsoft Excel, you can easily use SPSS because the layout is similar. gretl is another important software which stands for GNU Regression Econometrics and Time Series Library. gretl is open source and easy to use econometric software package. One common thing about these econometric software packages is that they can be operated via graphical user interface or the GUI or the menu or using point and click, and they can also be operated using codes. Users can use codes to operate all these 5 statistical or econometric software packages. Another open source software is R, the R statistical software. It is very popular and every model can be estimated using R. The capabilities of R can be extended via packages. It is created with the statistician in mind. Due to the fact that statistics is part of econometrics, econometricians can also use R to perform econometric analysis. In our tutorials, we are going to make use of the R Studio because it is the integrated development environment for the R, and it is easier to use R when you use R Studio. However, we are not going to use R Commander, which allows the use of R via graphical user interface. To get the most out of R, you need to learn how to code. So R is operated mostly via coding. Dynare is another important software which is used for dynamic stochastic general equilibrium modeling, which is in short called the DSGE. You can estimate DSGE model using either the Dynare standalone or along with Matlab, Octave, or R. The second point we are going to consider is the R Markdown. We are also going to create a playlist of videos on R Markdown. These videos are going to cover the basic and advanced level of R Markdown. The playlist of videos are going to cover the following outputs: HTML, otherwise known as Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is very convenient for website development. We are going to show you how to create HTML document even if you don't know anything about HTML. With R Markdown, HTML document is just some clicks away. HTML is particularly important if you are developing a website. R Markdown has made the creation of HTML very easy. Another important output is portable document format, or the PDF. PDF is purposely used for printing or for its portability, as the name suggests. Portability in the sense that the PDF output does not change across the major operating systems. The PDF file you open on the Windows operating system is going to have the same layout as when you open it on the Mac operating system. We are going to show you how to produce output with DOCX extension. The major advantage of using R Markdown is that this output can be produced from the same file without changing anything but the output name. One of the advantages of using R Markdown over other typesetting applications such as LaTeX and word processors is that all these 3 output can be generated from one file instead of having different files for different outputs. R Markdown can also produce slides like Beamer, iSlides, Slidey, PowerPoint, and Reveal.js. Another important thing on this channel is going to be R package. A playlist of videos on R packages is going to be created. Some of the packages we are going to cover include the EviewsR, which integrates EViews and R. We are going to show you how to use EViews from R. DynareR is also one of the packages we are going to cover. DynareR integrates Dynare and R. It's because of DynareR we are able to estimate DSGE models in R. gretlR is another important package which integrates gretl and R. It is now easy to run the codes of gretl for an R. All these three packages have been published on Comprehensive R Archive Network, popularly known as CRAN, and are being maintained by the founder of SMATI Academy, Dr. Sagir Mati. We are also planning to create a series of videos on other R packages such as ggplot, OfficeDown, PlotRisk, animation, and so on. Another important thing to be covered on SMATI Academy is Microsoft Office packages. Under Microsoft Office packages, we are going to show you how to use MS Word for thesis and journal article typesetting. Another important Microsoft package is Excel. We will focus on data analysis and data processing. After Excel, we are going to look at PowerPoint. We are going to teach you the tricks and shortcuts of using the PowerPoint. We are going to also give you hints on how to produce some awesome slides. We are also going to teach you the basics and important features of PowerPoint presentation. In addition to this, we are going to look at other Office packages such as Access, Publisher, and so on. On this channel, we are also going to bring a series of videos on how-to guides. Under how-to guides, we are going to produce videos based on the questions and comments of our viewers. Some of the videos we are likely going to cover include how to create an R package in RStudio, how to create a dynamic resume or curriculum by Tay using PageDown package, how to create a journal submission system for free. Yes, it is easy to create a journal submission system without paying a cent. Another important video might be how to number equation automatically in MS Word. This section or videos on this playlist are going to be based on your comments or based on the questions on the viewers. These are the 5 main themes we intend to cover in our forthcoming videos. However, with time, we are likely going to adjust based on your views, comments, and your suggestions. As a bonus, we are going to make videos on the following items: basic econometrics. Videos on this section are going to cover basic statistics, economics theory, and mathematical economics. Another set of videos is going to be created on econometrics using Shiny. Shiny is an R package which allows building web applications for an R. Another important bonus is website development. We will teach you how to develop a website for free, even if you don't know how to code. In addition to all this, we are also going to make a series of videos on academic writing. We will show you the strategies of getting your article published in high-impact journals. We welcome any comments that can improve the services of SMATI Academy. Remember that together we can do anything. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on. Thank you for your time, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching.